Welcome to Automania, the ultimate destination for all automobile lovers and tech enthusiasts. Powered by CarCrest, we bring you the latest reviews, features, and updates from the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into an exciting and futuristic model that's turning heads in urban mobility, the 2026 JPN Three Wheeler Rickshaw. This innovative vehicle blends modern design with sustainable technology, making it a strong contender in the next-gen transport category. The JPN 2026 Three-Wheeler Rickshaw is designed with a focus on efficiency, convenience, and eco-friendliness. Built for city commuting, it features a compact yet aerodynamic body that allows for smooth navigation through narrow lanes and congested traffic. The vehicle is lightweight, made from high-grade aluminum alloy and reinforced plastic composites which not only help in reducing weight but also enhance overall durability. It's an excellent choice for drivers seeking both performance and practicality in a compact form. Under the hood, the JPN Rickshaw houses a high-efficiency electric motor powered by a lithium-ion battery pack. With a top speed of around 45 km per hour, it's ideal for intra-city rides and short-distance travel. The battery supports a quick charging function that gets it up to 80% in under an hour, with a full charge offering a range of approximately 120 km depending on road conditions and load. This positions the rickshaw as an eco-conscious alternative to conventional petrol or diesel models. The interior of the 2026 model is more refined compared to previous generations. It comfortably seats 2 to 3 passengers and features modern upholstery, ergonomic seating, and decent legroom. The driver area is equipped with a digital dashboard that displays real-time stats such as battery level, range, speed, and maintenance alerts. Smart connectivity features like Bluetooth and GPS navigation are also integrated, offering both comfort and functionality. From a safety standpoint, the JPN Three-Wheeler includes improved suspension, disc brakes on all wheels, and a stable chassis for enhanced balance during rides. LED lighting systems, both front and rear, ensure high visibility even in poor lighting conditions. The vehicle also includes basic safety measures like seat belts and a reinforced roof to provide additional passenger protection in case of an accident. Another notable aspect is its customizable design options. Buyers can choose from various color schemes and optional add-ons such as solar panels on the roof for trickle charging, enhanced infotainment units, and additional storage compartments for commercial use. This makes the vehicle highly adaptable whether it's used for passenger transport, cargo delivery, or ride-hailing services. Maintenance is made simple thanks to the modular design of the components. Most parts are easy to replace and the electric motor has fewer moving parts compared to internal combustion engines, which reduces the frequency of repairs and lowers overall upkeep costs. The digital diagnostic system also helps identify any technical issues before they become major problems. The JPN Three-Wheeler Rickshaw 2026 is not just a step forward in design, but also a leap toward a sustainable and tech-savvy transportation solution. It's clear that the future of urban commuting is electric, and this model perfectly fits the needs of modern-day drivers and fleet operators alike. If you enjoyed this detailed look into the JPN 2026 Three-Wheeler Rickshaw and want more such in-depth reviews, comparisons, and automobile tech insights, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay connected with Automania for more exciting updates from the world of vehicles, brought to you by CarCrest.